1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Linda Arnold with Coldwell Banker Gundaker. Today, I have Renee Wolf here from U.S. Title. Tell me, how does the survey come into play here? Because I think the survey is also done, and that sort of folds into title insurance too, doesn't it? How does that come together?
As far as survey, we do insure your lender for survey coverage. As far as your owner's policy, you'd have to get a boundary survey in order for us to insure you. We cannot insure on a spot survey because that's just spotting the home on the property.
And that's not really measuring things out and putting out those stakes that we all know about, that we all look for to know where the property boundaries actually are.
Right.
Got it. Well, good. And so why would a buyer use U.S. Title over any other title company to do their title work, to insure their title for them?
Well, at U.S. Title, we use two financially stable insurance underwriters, and they have, a large claim as far as revenue. So if you have any title claims, so if you have any liens that are not paid, anything comes back, a roof has not been paid by a previous owner, then of course we'd make sure that we're giving you clear title on that.
Boy, that would be a scary scenario, I think. If a buyer buys a property, they think everything's just fine. They move in and somebody knocks on the door and says, hey, I'm Joe Roofer and I put the roof on last year and I didn't get paid. I need you to write me a big check and cover that. And so this is really probably the essence of really where title insurance is coming from, is to make sure that doesn't happen to a buyer. I mean, what a nightmare scenario that would be.
Right.
And expensive, no less.
That is correct. And of course, for insurance, you're receiving insurance in case you need it. You're receiving that coverage. Hopefully you do not need it, but someday you might. And if somebody comes knocking on the door and needs something paid in full, as long as you've received title insurance, you should be covered.
So I could call you and say, hey, my buyer's got a problem, or they could call you directly and say, hey, somebody's knocking on my door and I don't understand what's going on. Please, can you look into this for me? And I know you would take care of that.
Yes, that is correct.
Mm-hmm. Great. Well, I appreciate Renee coming in and talking to me today about title insurance, because I know most buyers don't understand what that is, and sellers probably have it and don't even know that they have it. So I want to thank Renee for coming in today. Again, Linda Arnold with Coldwell Banker Gundaker.